Today I got something techie beyond techie. I'd asked this question over at the Gear Forum for a Line 6 Helix, which is one of these multi-effects amp modeling thing, mabobbers. Um, is there any way to paste a particular block to multiple presets at once? And by block, I mean it's like a plug-in. Let me just show you. So the way it works, like in Helix, you have your input, a pitch block, you have amplifiers, but basically there's all these little blocks here, and you can make it whatever kind of effect you want, or there's some utilities as well. And in my case, so let me just read it. I pretty much have a few kitchen sink presets where I have a version of each with different impulses and key for the harmonizer. Any change to the internal parameters of a block that I want on each preset means copying and pasting one by one to 36 or so presets, and is a major pain. I was working on a text editor for this, but got busy with some of our other projects. It's just something that can be done right now. So what I'm saying is, for example, here's one set of presets I have. So I have the difference between these is this amp right here. So this other one right here has a different amp. Actually has an EQ too, but that's not that big of a deal. But any change I want to make in this, so because my harmonizer is set to a certain key, if I change something here, I got to change it on each one of these over and over and over again. It's such a pain. So what I wanted to do is find a way to just do it all at once. And one of the really cool things about Line 6 is that they have the presets or text are human readable. I don't think the set lists are. The bundles definitely aren't, as far as I remember. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to grab all these presets right here. So for instance, like here's a perfect example. So this is one preset that I have, and the only difference, you see, I'm using this impulse, my vintage 30 from Celestion that I just love. I use that for everything. Versus this one right here, which uses this impulse. But you know what? That should not have. Sorry. Versus this one right here, which uses this impulse, a different impulse. So if I wanted to change this impulse, I had to go through and copy all these things. It takes forever. So what I want to hopefully I can do is edit these in a text editor. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all these. I'm going to export these. Export. And I'm going to do, let me see. I'm going to make a new folder. Test presets for bulk edit. Okay. So I'm going to send those there. And let's see, I'm going to import them here for now. Not sure if this is how I should do it, but we'll see. That can make too much difference. Okay. I got to clean up these folders. Where did test presets for bulk edit? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to import these here. I'm not sure there's any point in doing this part, but now let's say I want to change this to a mono chorus. So I'm just going to copy this one. I'm going to put it down here on number 6A. Okay, I'm going to look at what the chorus parameters are right now. I'm gonna take a little picture of it so I can tell. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to a mono chorus. Chorus 2.5. Oh, you know the other problem is I got to make it well, I'll do this. I'm going to make the snapshot automation. Okay. So let me see. So I'm going to have to do this a different way. Okay. Let me think. Interesting how this thing's making noise now, but it wasn't before. Let me go back. Okay. Go to the chorus. So I'm going to go to... So I'm going to take a bunch of pictures here. So this is going to be snapshot 1. There's going to be snapshot 2. Wow. Okay, so here's another problem. There's a bug. There's a bug that's going on in copying and pasting on Helix, and this is a problem, actually. I'm not sure I really want to go forward with this because you see that? This speed changed to 0.0. That's not what that should be. This just got corrupted. So I keep getting crap on the forums because I point out these bugs that are corrupting the presets. Yeah, what a bummer. Okay, hold on. So this is a whole nother issue. Something happened in the newest update. So this is what it's supposed to be right here. Wow. So all my presets are screwed. So you know what? I'm gonna have to do this just because we got a bug on the copying. So that's interesting. So great. Just great. Okay. Well, that sucks. Wow, I wonder how deep this problem went. Oh boy. Okay. Wow. Wow, that is really sucky. I'm sorry. I'm kind of just dealing with this right now. So let me make some screen captures. Save image as. I'm gonna put this in my Helix. But this honestly really sucks. This is not something I was planning on having to deal with right now. But there's been a problem with files getting corrupted when you copy and paste, and yeah, it's just, you know, whenever you point out a software bug, you get a bunch of true believers that just attack you for even seeing that. But sorry, this is a problem. Snap 1 12 string. Snap 2 rhythm. What a pain. Sorry. I mean, this, you know, I wasn't really planning on doing all this, but you know, this is a perfectly good trial by fire test that's going to fix this. So, wow, this is really interesting. I wonder just how accurate this is. See, everything got screwed. I think it was the newest update, but this bunch of copy and paste problems, and it just really sucks. Snap 3. I'm going to assume that harmony is the same, but let's see if that didn't get corrupted too. So snap 3 lead. Just let me look at harmony real quick and see if that's the same. 1.5, 8.1. Okay, so that's the same. Okay, so that's fine. Keyboard. Okay, so this is snap 4 keyboard. want to edit this one. Where is it? Test presets for bulk edit. Okay. So Snap 4 keyboard. That's also going to be 3 and 4. Lead and harmony. And you know, the 12-string one should be the same as the acoustic one, but we'll see if that's the case. So harmony, so acoustic. 2.5, 8.1. Interesting. Okay, so the acoustic is a little bit different. I'm going to play this real quick and see which one they like. Yeah, see, this is something very unhappy about the Helix, is that it is extremely unpredictable on what's going to happen when you save a preset to your hardware. It might just disappear. Yeah, I can't play that, sorry, but I want to. Well, I really like that chorus. So the other one was this. So if I turn off the 12-string here, what in the world is that? No, not right now. Okay. So if I turn this off, wait, what was the difference? 2.5, 8.1. Okay, I think this is the same. Let me, I'm going to pull up the screen capture. Oh man, I tell you, this is one of those things where when you tell the manufacturer, actually you can tell the manufacturer and it's okay. They may not be able to repro it. It's good if they can, but the fanboys on the forum will just start screaming how it's user error. And you know, I think I have a little bit better grasp on dealing with software than the average bear. And you know, this is a problem for me. So I'm going to change this to Snap 1 and Snap 8. And that's going to be 12-string and acoustic. And this is what I'm also going to use for the other patches have a clean amp on them. And so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. No 5 because that's what I use for a pitch thing. 6 is going to be the clean amp. 7 is harmony. Yeah, why did I put 4? 7 is harmony. And 8 is acoustic, so 6. I'm going to make this 1, 6, and 8. 12-string, clean, and acoustic. Okay, so that should be all of them. So that's the proper chorus. Who knows if it broke the delay? So this, again, this sucks because it really saps your confidence when you don't know what's going to happen when you copy and paste. It's a basic thing. I know that it's amazing how much they've stood behind this product and kept offering firmware for a digital product that's, I think, 8 years old now, which is incredible. But you know, we've got to get this reliability fix. Oh. Okay, so let me read what they've answered. He said, this might be a great question for Digital Igloo. Just going out on a limb here. Have you tried holding the controls key to see if they bake that into software? That would be actually pretty cool. There's some reasons where you couldn't just copy these blocks, and I think Digital Igloo, who works for Line 6, is going to tell us. But Foxmeister says, sounds like you want global blocks, and Helix doesn't currently have these. For what it's worth, in the fractal ecosystems, that's like AxeFX and what else do they make? Some kind of other plug-in, hardware products. Only the AxeFX 3 supports global blocks, so Helix isn't alone in this regard, I think he means to say. Personally, I think they could achieve this by allowing you to create linked favorites, whereby in your preset, rather than having the block definition, you have a link to a favorite so that any changes to the favorite are reflected in the presets that contain that preset. That would be awesome. Digital Igloo from Line 6 says, no, but the block stays in the current clipboard, so you can 1, select the preset, 2, paste the block, 3, press save twice and repeat steps 1 to 3. There'd be no way to successfully paste a block into multiple presets blindly. Oh, ye of little faith. As there's no guarantee every target preset would have sufficient DSP to accommodate it. There are additional rules like only 2 amps or cabs per path and only 1 looper per preset. Now, that's a caveat, but it's one that we can certainly overcome. So I say, in my case, the block is already there, so, that's not a concern. I've traditionally been doing it the way you said, Digital Igloo. I was able to do it with find and replace in Notepad++, but it feels a little sketchy. Possibly I can make it a little safer in there. My big holdup right now doing it with the text editor is that ideally I could do it from a setlist file, but it seems to be encrypted in a way I can't really get to its guts. So you saw right when I'm just trying to do this basic thing, we end up with the big problem. So I'm going to go to one of these guys right here, and I'm going to put the chorus in the way it's supposed to be. So let's go from picture to picture. So snap 1, 6, and 8. I'm going to look at... Boy, that's a big waste of space. Can I fix that? Yes, thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna start with your 5A, and I'm just gonna make a proper preset. Okay. 2.5, 8.1, 3.2. Okay, so here you go again. This one's correct on snapshot 1. Let's take a look at this guy right here. Now remember, these are just copied and pasted blocks, so I haven't changed anything except for the amp or whatever. I didn't touch the chorus. Let's look at the 12 string here. 8.1. That is definitely wrong. Man, this is all over the place. Let me go to this one. 0. Okay, so see, they're all over the place. This is just getting mangled, man. Unreal. So we got a serious problem with copying and pasting in this thing. I don't know if it's just this last firmware update. I did go back a firmware update to try and reload some of my patches, but it just didn't work. This is completely freaking busted. I might just go back to line 6 and update one of my patches. You know what? I should just make a YouTube video real quick, but let me just fix this. Okay, so let me put this where it's supposed to be. Well, did that just change? Wasn't this 8.1 a second ago? What the hell? Okay, let me go back to 6.8. 8.1. Okay. Yeah, this is extremely uncomfortable. Okay, so 2.5, 8.1, 8, 50%, and 0. Why is there no snap for level? Let me fix that. Okay, so now we go to rhythm. Rhythm snap, or actually, sorry. Let me go to clean. So clean is going to be 2.5, 8.1, 8, 50%, 0. Okay, that's good. Let's go to acoustic. 2.5, 8.1, 8, 50%, 0. Now, the scary thing is what else got changed? Did all my reverbs get broken? We can look at that in a second, but it's just terrifying, man. Like, this sucks. This definitely shouldn't be happening. In fact, you know what? I'm going to say something. See, I just got set up to do a live stream showing the text editor tricks and the copy paste bug between presets, changing the parameter values at random just popped back up. It is extremely confidence destroying. Not knowing how the hell your parameters will end up between the snapshots after a simple copy and paste of presets. Well, yeah, this sucks because, you know, who knows what else could be changed, but maybe I'll just copy everything except for the amp and whatever the difference in the thing is, whatever. So mainly it's the harmony, right? Like that's where I really worry. Harmony is something that I got to get changed. Maybe I could make a script that does that automatically. But anyway, so that's that. Let's go to let's go to snap 2, which is the rhythm. So that should be 2.5, 6.8, 7.5. Interesting. Don't remember doing that, but could be right. Who knows? Is there a way to go to the next? How do I go to the next photo? I don't know what this new paint thing is from Microshaft. Okay, so let me go to lead 1.5, 8.1. Is that really right? Why would I make it so slow but so deep? I really don't feel like I did that, but yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about, confidence destroying, you know. And look at the tone. Why would I make it that dull? Oh, well, I guess making fatter leads or something, right? So 1.5, 8.1, 5. Let's just assume this is right. Sucks. Okay, here's harmony. Oh, here we go. This is a difference. Now, I have a level boost on there, but the problem is in this instance, the level's already boosted because of the way these parameters are made. So if nothing else is changing the level, I'm going to take the level out of the snapshots. So let me do that. So harmony. And so the last one's going to be the keyboard setting, which, man, this is crazy that I have the keyboard set so high. Where is it? 1.5, 8.1, 5, 50. So I guess that's just the same as the lead. Okay. So that is the chorus. Now, what I'm wondering about, did they break the reverb? One of the ones that was breaking before was the compressor. Let's take a look. Should be 0. Yep, good. Now the keyboard should have a boost, and it does. Okay, so this was the one when the bug first started showing up. It was seeing it on this compressor. I'm sure it's all over the place everywhere else now. Let me see. So what I want to do is I'm going to export all of these. Okay. And I'm actually gonna, yeah. See, it's so scary to copy and paste, man. I'm telling you, it's just, it's very disturbing. So I'm gonna open these. I could paste these back up, but if I break them, I'm gonna be really bummed. We'll get to that in a second. Okay. Test presets for bulk edit. Okay, so the main one here is going to be the C minor. Actually, let me get rid of all these. I don't trust them. Okay, re-export them. Okay. Wait, why is there two here? Oh, yeah, because these ones are garbage. Okay, I'm gonna recopy those. Okay, let me get rid of that. Okay, so just these 5. Yeah, so many things that could go wrong here, so I'm trying not to make it happen. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna open this file. This is gonna be my main one, and what I'm looking for is the chorus. Should be block 10. Now the problem is, what about the snapshots? So I'm not really sure how am I going to deal with the snapshots? Where are the snapshots exactly? So you see, okay, is this all part of the chorus snapshot? Let's see, HT2 compressor. Wow, so there's actually a lot that I'd have to replace. Well, this really sucks, man. Block 10. So per snapshot, this happens. The trouble is, you see that I think that the way this is working, let me, how do I go find previous? Is there a find previous? Not really. So let me go backwards direction. Okay, so let's see what this is, right? What's the parent here? So this is DSP1. And is this in a snapshot? So I can't just copy and paste this whole giant chunk. Yeah, shoot. There's not really a simple way to do this with the text editor. All right, this is a bummer from absolute hell. So let's just see what happens if I copy this proper chorus to the rest of them. Here we go. Actually, let's check the different snapshots here. Yep, see that one's wrong. All right, well there you go. Okay, so it's already broken on this one right here. So let's paste it. I was wondering why it sounded so dull. Unreal. Okay, so now I've just done that. Should be fine. Yeah, okay, so this is definitely broken. All right, I'm going to end this stream. I'm going to make some videos that show the problem to line 6